Okay, I think I found a more robust way of doing this. So we're going to remove this. This is going to be more for later on in life, so we're going to get we're going to call it extension. Sorry, we're going to get extension. And how we're going to define this is, what we're going to do is we're going to try and find the last instance of a period, right? Because that's the last thing that we need. So we need, and it'll index this. So we'll just call it a dot index with file name dot rfind period. So we're taking in a file name here, which we're going to have to do the define main file name is equal to input dot lower dot strip, which then this is equal to file name and then down here then we need to do if name equals return main. Okay, so now that we have the indexed number, so then if the dot index is not equal to 1 and the dot index is greater than the length of file name, minus 1, then we're going to have the extension is equal to file name with the index of dot index plus 1 colon. So 1 colon is going to be splitting it, and it's going to be everything past that, not including the dot. So then we're just going to hit return extension. Okay. And now once we have this function made, we need to call this function. We're going to call it extension. Which is going to be equal to get extension with file name inside of it. And then we're just going to print. I just want it to print I just want it to print file. I just want it to print extension just to see if this is working. Okay, file name is spelled incorrectly. Try this again. Okay, so with this, what the hell just happened there? Oh, it's all my changes. So with this, we're finding the extension and we're returning the extension. So now, if we do a check extension, which is equal to extension in here, and we say if extension in, let's call it a if extension in a list oh, this is just growing. This is just growing and growing. This is not. This is just growing and growing, and this is just not. Like, this is important. I think knowing this, how to find something is important. But you learn that in regex later on, so I mean. Okay, wait. So then what if we do a match case now? So we do match extension. Right? And we say case. And what was it returning? It was just returning the thing itself. Right? We say case GIF, and then we're going to say return I'm going to say return image / GIF. Okay, so then now we just want it to print check it extension. Right, would that work? So Python extensions file name yes.gif. Okay, no, that doesn't work. So let's do this. right? So then we go here, here. Okay, we got it. We got it. We got it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and which we needed one for GIF. Okay, we need one for GIF, PNG, JPEG, JPG, PDF, zip, plain, default. After that is PDF. Text plain. Okay. 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 Put in absolutely nothing. That's fine. All right. Let's do a check 50. Let's see. Let's see if we got there. CP. Conditionals. A little sip of coffee. 1 second. Okay, we don't have a zip. Oh right, because I missed one. This one goes down to zip, but it's looking good, everybody. Who's not watching? Okay, try this one more time. All right, there we go. So yeah, that's the way to do it with a match case. Since we're moving into more functions than anything else later on down the line, this is good practice to do that kind of stuff. I'm going to try to make more robust things so that I can do it later on. Okay, I'm going to stop this recording.